Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog and today we're opening the new Pipsticks pack. Now, I asked you guys on Instagram because I also have the Pipsticks and the Paper Gang. My cat is scratching. I asked you guys on Instagram which one you wanted to see first, the Pipsticks or the Paper Gang, because I actually received the Paper Gang box first, but because of work I didn't have time to film opening it just yet. So I'm gonna open both of them in one day, but 2 videos. And most of you actually said you wanted to see the Pipsticks one first, so without further ado, I'm just gonna put the Paper Gang box aside. I don't know if you guys realize this, but before I actually start opening this pack, I do have one thing to say. Something that is very, very, very big. I don't know if you guys realize. Are you realizing it yet? But I have a new filming setup! Yay! I actually bought a new tripod yesterday. It's not actually new, it's second hand, because the tripod itself is 170 euros and I actually found it secondhand for 100, which is still a lot of money. I saved my tip money from working as a waitress for quite some time, but it is so worth the investment. I used to have this crappy tripod. This one was 20 euros and it worked fine for the time being, but if you saw my setup now, it's so much better. I actually finally have the full overhead filming, so I do not film at an angle anymore. The tripod itself is pushed back a lot, so I also have a lot more, like I wasn't able to do this first, but now I can freely move my arms without accidentally knocking over my camera. I am so excited. I said in a previous video, or maybe I haven't uploaded that video yet, but what I was planning on doing is reopening my Etsy store for a little while, where I sell hair ties and potentially possibly also paper to fund this tripod, because like I said, it is very expensive and I saved all of my tip money to buy it, and I'm also going to buy a daylight lamp sometime in the future so that I can also hopefully film at night, but because that is so expensive and because YouTube doesn't pay the bills, I was thinking of reopening my Etsy store for a while. But then I found this one secondhand and I knew that if I didn't buy it, someone else would, and it was basically the opportunity of a lifetime. So I decided just to buy it, and then I will try and find like funding for it afterwards. So keep an eye on my Etsy store. I'm thinking of reopening it in November, just to help cover the cost for all of these investments. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know that I have indeed something on my lens. I have indeed upgraded my filming setup. Okay, I would probably talk about that in 6 videos to come, but I did want to let you know. Before I start opening the Pipsticks, I'll have another thing to say, which is yes, I was supposed to cancel my subscription. I was going to cancel my subscription, but apparently I did not cancel my subscription. I just skipped a month. So then when I skipped 1 month, I ended up getting the next month again. So I'm a little bit disappointed in myself because the same thing happened for the Paper Gang. I was going to start saving for these things like the tripod and everything, and then instead I'm still spending money on subscriptions, which is not what I was planning on doing. But now I have actually cancelled. What is this? So what I was going to say is that this video is in no way sponsored or affiliated with Pipsticks. I paid for this sadly with my own money. So yeah, all opinions in this video are my own, but I'm a little bit confused because I open this pack and the first thing I see is welcome to the club and your first issue of Pippi, the zine. So it looks like they've sent me a first-time subscriber pack. Okay, Vivian from the future here. They did not send me the first-time subscriber pack. This is the normal October Pipsticks pack, but for some reason it just had that first-time subscriber letter in there. So everything is cool. They just made a mistake with the letter. Okay, I'm just going to go treat this like a normal Pipsticks opening. We will still get to see a lot of fun stickers, I guess. The first thing is the monthly postcard, which is a bewitched moonmobile. Cut along the dotted lines, punch holes through the circles, and then you can make a little bewitched moonmobile, which looks quite cute. Quite cute. I think this is the one, the creative challenge that I saw. Stay Wild Moon Child. So that's the first thing in there. And then next up, I think this is going to be like, oh, that's cute. This is, I wanted to say, I think this is going to be a little bit mystical, a little bit like the moon child, a little bit Halloweeny. Well, but I don't know, we're just gonna go and see. So this, like, it has a general theme of space and moon, but other than that it feels very random. We've got a TV, we've got foxes, we've got LPs, we've got books, we've got a lava lamp, and this is a washi type sticker sheet, which I quite like. Really, really pretty, and it has some gold foiling, which for this sheet I do not mind. I just hope that it's not all of them. Oh, by the way, I skipped last month's Pipsticks, and I was so happy because I actually watched someone else's unboxing and there was so much foiling in there, it drove me insane. Then the next one, oh my god, I already know. I think the pen pal I want to send this to also has a Pipsticks subscription, but if she doesn't, she's definitely getting this sheet. We have this beautiful, like, phases of the moon sticker sheet. That's so pretty. I actually really like that, and it's washi stickers again, which I quite like. It's black and gold, it has a lot of hands. Yep, that's very pretty. And then we have this long sticker which says "The magic is in you," which is quite nice. I wonder if you can use the whole thing as a sticker or just the inside. This is a sticker, like the words, but I also want to use the outline because they have some really cute stars and dots and all of that on them. And then what is this? Oh, this is not my style. This is like a neon colored stars. I do think that I received the normal pack, because when I received the first time pack a long time ago, it was also random, and you had flowers, you had rainbows, you had everything together, and now I've grabbed 4 sheets that are kind of magical, so I'm thinking that this is the normal pack. But if any of you have received this pack as well and something is different, please let me know. So the next one is this neon colored stars, but I do know that a lot of people love these type of colors, so I'm going to make someone else happy with that instead. Then we have this, oh, that's pretty. We've got like Purplish Beetles. These are all individual stickers. I actually quite like that. I have no clue what I would use that for, but I know that I want to use it for something because that is pretty. Oh my god, what is this? This is the vinyl sticker. Okay, it might actually be, I don't know, this doesn't match the theme at all. What are they called again? Trolls or something? Nah, this is not me. That's going to be gifted to someone else. It's just not really me. Then we have, what is this? This is very random again. Like, you have these kind of galaxy themed swirls, but then the icons are so random. You have bunny slippers, you have coffee cups, you have cats, you have alarm clocks, you have remote controls. Like, what is this? I have no clue what this is meant to represent. I don't know. I get the idea is cute, I just don't really get it. So there's that, but another Pipstick sheet. And then we have 2. Ooh, that is nice. We have a rainbow sheet, but then a dark purple rainbow sheet, which goes very nicely with the magical theme. Quite like that. You could use that for Halloween, but also for your regular crafting. And it has a subtle foiling in it as well. Quite nice. I like that. And then we have a pencil sheet. all sorts of different. These are really cute for envelopes. It's like when you write someone a letter, just add one of these. But then again, you could also cut them up and send them as gifts. But I'm fairly certain I'm keeping this myself. And it has a little bit of holographic foiling on the end of the pencils. Next up is this. Whoa. Oh my god, these are all Pipsticks stickers. All of them have the Pipsticks logo. That is very cool. That's the one thing I'm going to miss out on when I cancel my subscription, that I don't get all of the Pipsticks original sheets anymore. These are all like planets, and this definitely is, like, I'm going to say it again, but this is definitely not, this cannot be the first timer pack, because look how these colors match, right? But these are all planets. This is not really my style, but I know again that a lot of people will probably like that, so I'm gonna use that as a gift. I'm also going to be doing another galaxy themed video sometime in the future, so that will be cute for that. What is this? Oh, I see another star-shaped something. Whoa. Okay, another planet. I love that there's a theme going. I don't know, I love working with themes. Although this is not really my style. We've got more planets. They look a little bit like mixed media planets. Another Pipstick sheet. Again, in the same color combo, kind of. Yeah. Not my style, but it's cute, I'll give you that. And another one! Oh, this, oh, what is this called again? What is this called again? This is one of those question balls? I don't know what you would call this. An 8-ball? I don't know, it's one of those balls. I have never had one, owned one, held one. I think it's not a thing here in the Netherlands, but I know it from movies. It's a ball and you ask it a question and then you shake it, and then it gives you a random answer. And then there's some random answers here as well. Signs point to yes, do it, go for it, ask again later, in your dreams. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this sheet. I don't know yet. The idea is fun, but it's not that pretty. It's just black balls. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, that is nice. Oh my god, I really want to make like a magic witchy themed mail now. That is nice. So then we have a witchy themed, I'm just going to call it witchy themed, I hope I don't insult anyone, mail, sticker sheet I mean. We have books, we have flasks, we have keys, we have feathers, we have some dried herbs, we have some mushrooms. I really like this sheet. Again, this is so far from my normal style, but I absolutely adore it. And it has a really subtle gold foiling as well, which I quite like. That is nice. Definitely. Like, I'm torn between keeping this myself and sharing it with a pen pal. I know will love this, but I also know that she used to be a member of Pipsticks, so maybe she already has it. And then this is another, this is all Pipsticks. This is crazy. And the last sheet is also Pipsticks. What the heck? It's all Pipstick sheets this month. Except maybe this one, I don't know. This one doesn't have a logo on it, but I'm fairly certain it's them as well. That's so cool. Okay, so the second to last is this, I'm going to call it Galaxy Desserts. We've got Space Jam, which is quite funny. We've got chocolate milk. We've got Galaxy cotton candy. Galaxy hot chocolates. Very random, but I mean, I like the general idea, especially the Space Jam. That's just funny. The pun. So yeah, another Pipsticks sheet. And then I already saw the last one, which is space themed again. Okay, I do not like this holographic foiling. I don't like the holographic foiling, but it's all sorts of space vehicles. We've got UFOs, we've got those rovers that drive around the moon, we've got satellites, rockets. This, I don't know, it's like half of the pack is this really beautiful kind of magic-y theme, and then the other half is like really space themed, which is not really me. I love the magic-y themes, So these two and these, and then the rainbows and the magic one, and then I do not really like the actual space themed ones like these. I don't know yet. So that's all for this. Okay, so the upside of those really big glasses is that you do not have to refill them often. The downside is that when you knock them over, there's going to be a whole lot of water to clean and a whole lot of wet stickers. So I have wet stickers now. Completely forgot what I was saying, but I will check for you if this was the original pack or if this was indeed the beginner pack. I don't think so. The theme matches too well to be a beginner pack. I think it might have been a mistake. But like I said, I am cancelling. I have cancelled my Pipsticks subscription now. I might do it again in the future because it is kind of fun. Especially because when I started the Pipsticks subscription, I think around half or maybe even less than half of the stickers was Pipsticks original, and now all of them are Pipsticks original, which is really cool. And I love sharing these for gifts because I know that not everyone has access to the Pipsticks subscription. So that's this video for now. Keep an eye out for the Paper Gang, my last Paper Gang subscription, and of course many other videos. I do have to tell you that for now we have a better setup, but I still have a lot of videos filmed with the old setup, so it's going to be a mix of old setup and new setup. I hope that's okay. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know your favorite sticker sheet in a comment down below, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.